Paramed's automatic upper arm blood pressure monitor is comfortable and easy to use. You can check both blood pressure and heartbeat by pressing a single button. What should I do to ensure that the results are reliable? We advise sitting still for at least 10 minutes before starting measurements. Then, follow the procedure instructions carefully. How do I correctly attach the cuff to the arm? Before switching on the device, sit up straight at a desk, place your feet on the floor, and relax. Wrap the cuff around your left arm above the elbow so that its edge is 2 to 3 centimeters from the elbow joint, and the pipe is directly in the middle of your arm. What should I do during measurement? Switch the monitor on. Sit still and relax. Place your arm on the table with your palm facing up. Do not move, and breathe calmly. What do all the numbers and signs on the screen mean? Results appear on the screen within a minute. You will see your systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and heartbeat. If 3 hearts appear on the screen, this means that the device has identified arrhythmia. It is recommended that you see a doctor to have your heart checked. Mistakes in using the blood pressure monitor. Pay attention to mistakes, which can affect the measurement results. In order for your results to be as precise as possible, please do not do the following while measuring blood pressure. 1. Do not raise your hand or hold it in the air. 2. Do not turn your hand. Your palm should not be facing down on the table. 3. Do not remove your arm from the table or put it down. 4. Do not move your arm. 5. Do not measure your blood pressure while lying down. 6. Do not measure blood pressure several times in a row without removing the cuff. Wait at least 5 minutes between intervals. An automated blood pressure monitor from Paramed is designed to make your healthcare as easy and comfortable as possible. Watch your health and be healthy.